Hindi ya igongona ria kuhumba thumbi makiria ma arutwo 3,300 thukuru-ini wa University wa Mount Kenya mwena wa Thika nikuo muikari giti wa thukuru uyu Dagitari Simon Gicharu atariirie kiha kiria kia munyitire ero ya rugano rwa Mirina Furo ria akoretwo akigieka gietha ciebarua ona thengia wake gukorwo ahitukite kigeranio giake gia KCSE. Mirina Furo kuma mwena wa Kitale kaunti ya Trans Nzoia aikarire kigeranio giake gia KCSE miaka 14 mihituku na akihituka na grade ya A- ari na mwihoko ati ni agetwo thukuru-ini wa university agathomere kothi ya urigitani ta uria kiari kiroto giake. No thutha wa gweterera ndaigana kwamukira marua kuma kuri bodi ya woyani wa arutwo aria maingagira mathukuru-ini ma university na hau akembereria mihango ya gwetha marua maya undu uria nginyagia umuthi utari wa kinyanira. Na Furo uria ni nyina wa ciana igiri akoretwo akiruta wira wa ciebarua ithe-ini cia mitu o agietagira ati kiroto giake gia kuingira thukuru-ini wa university na agathomera urigitani no kiri kinyanira. No riu kiriro giake ni gikinyu muthia thutha wa University wa Mount Kenya kumukuatha na kumuhe mweke wa guthoma kuria ekurirwo bithi o undu umwe na mahuthiro mangi nginyagia arikie mathomo make ta uria Professor Simon Gicharu uria niwe murugamiri wa thukuru uyu aratariria.
Who has been for very many years without going to the university by the name Miri Nafula Marasa. And I was touched and I said, how can we keep escaping somebody who scored A- at the home for very many years just because he can't be able to afford to join the university? And in that regard, I took it upon myself and I want to inform this congregation that I will give scholarship.
Gicharu augite ni undu wa kieha kuona arutwo aria mahitukite ta Nafura makigieka micii-ini o riri mangiteithiria gukinyania iroto ciao na gutuika uguni munene kuri bururi.
Join the university and be able to pay for her hostels and everything else that she can be able to self-actualize herself.
Ihinda-ini o riu nake mwandiki mukaru ministry ya githomo Baruthi Simon Abukwesi ni oritie mathukuru ma university gwika mituki kwihariria gucenjia mitaratara ya githomo niguo matigakorerwo matehariria ni mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC.
Ladies and gentlemen, with the implementation of the competence-based curriculum system of education now underway, universities are likely to be caught unawares and unprepared unless they move with speed to review their curriculum and reorient them from the knowledge-based to competence-based.
Riu Nafura egukorwo agitigana kabuti ka mutu na kwihumba kabuti keru mathomo-ini ma urigitani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.